In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Westpac login problem. So if you're having login problem in Westpac application, there are some things that you can do in order to fix it. First of all, make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes the problem might be because of the unstable network. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After that, try logging into your account. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. But sometimes the problem might be the wrong credentials. In that case, make sure to recover them. For that, what you have to do is open the Westpac application. You can see over here Westpac application has been opened. What you have to do is tap on this option, forget customer ID or password. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find two options over here, forget customer ID, forget password. What you have to do is simply tap on the option that you feel like is incorrect. After you do that, all you have to do is follow through the prompts, provide your details, and you'll be able to recover your password and customer ID. After you do that, make sure to enter the correct credentials and your problem should be solved. But if this also does not solve your problem, there might be some problem with the application itself. So in order to fix it, what you can do is simply update the app. What you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Westpac. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Westpac and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated. After your application is updated, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of Westpac app. Launch open app library of your device, find the application for Westpac and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is simply tap on this option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear cache. Now you can see over here the cache of the application will be cleared. Now your problem should be solved. Now try logging into your account and you should be able to log into your account. But if this also does not solve your problem, there might be some problem with the device itself. So in that case, what you have to do is restart your device. Long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, your problem will be fixed. So that is how you fix Westpac app login error. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.